welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today I've got a video that's a little bit different than normal. I've been sent this Xtools D1 by Xtools, which is a laser cutter and engraver. I'm not being paid to do it, so I'm quite happy to do that. They sent it me asking me to do an honest review, so I'm quite happy to do that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make something with it once I've unboxed it and put it together, and then fill it with resin, because I know a lot of people do things like that. So bear with me, I'm going to unbox it. Now, it comes very well packed up. It came with the laser and with a engraving on a cylinder tool, which is this. And it all looks very well made. I'm not sure if there's any instructions or manual with it, because I certainly haven't seen one as yet, but I'm sure there must be. Wow, it is well packed up. Getting this out is not what I would consider to be easy. Oh, and it even comes with some eye protection, which is great. Well, there's not too many bits to put together, but it does look like there isn't a manual with it. So that must mean that I need to go online and follow the instructions, which is a bit of a shame because I do like a clear set of instructions, but it probably is easier than following instructions once I go online. So I'm going to go online and have a look. Well, so far this has been really easy to put together. It literally is just 4 sides, and what you get is once you log in, you get all the details on here on what you need to do. All the pieces are in the box. So far it's really easy. I'm not going to film the whole thing of me tightening up every screw and putting every screw in. There's literally 4 sides, and there's a bit that's got to go across here. So I'm going to finish off. If I come across any difficulties, then I'll let you know. The most difficult thing was to find the instructions on the internet. So all I literally did was put Xtools D1 instructions, and then it came up. It was really easy. Okay, well, I've got all this set up now, and I've imported a picture of my dogs because I thought that would be a nice thing to engrave. And so I'm going to set it to engrave. It's fairly simple to use the software that comes with it, so which is really good news for me because I am just a technological idiot. I'm just going to quickly frame it to make sure that everything that I'm going to cut fits into that wood, and it does. And I'm going to push start, and now it should be about 18 minutes to do this. Now, as you can see, this is not encased in anything, so any of the smoke that's coming up from the laser is going to go into the room. Fortunately, I have a really good extractor system in here, so it is going to remove that. And I've also got the goggles on as well, just to make sure that I'm safe from the laser. One of the things I think is really important about this is it's so quiet. I wouldn't have any problem about continuing my other work in here. When I finally do set this up permanently, I'm going to set it up underneath a really good extractor fan, so that should just be taken straight out as well, rather than having to travel about 4 foot next towards the extractor fan. Well, it seems to be going quite quick. There's about 15 minutes left of this, but it is a complex picture of my dog, so it'll be interesting to see how well it comes out. And it's setting up nicely, and it seems to be engraving really nicely. There we go, it's done the engraving, and it did it in about 12 minutes. And I think that's come out really well. And what I need to do is work out how to use the adjustments, because there wasn't enough definition between my dog and the sofa. And there are adjustments on there, so I just will play around with that. But anyway, that's the machine. It's really brilliant. It's absolutely amazing machine. So what I want to do now is I'm going to cut out something, and then I'm going to use it with my resin work.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me.
So let's see how well it's cut. Oh, I'm quite excited. Oh, look at that. God, that came out easy. I wasn't expecting that to come out quite as easy as that. I'll also link this in the description below and how you can get hold of it. I mean, it's such good value for money for what you get. It really is. I can't rave enough about it. I'm not going to give you all the technical specs on it because, to be honest, they don't mean anything to me and I'll be just talking a load of